Yeah! Let's go to the beach. We will go, guys, for the beach. Wow! What do you mean now? So guys, look how amazing it is. Oh my god. Woo! So looking nice. See? This is the pool. Hiya guys! Wow! Guys, I will try. See, this is the ball area. Yes. So our villa is not like this. Yeah, we're in the floating water. Yes. So we will check there. Yeah. Slipper is not allowed.
See the sound?
Wow! Good. Hello! Hi, Kitty Pie! Knock first.
Your hand is...
I'm sacrificing too much with that.
Sibbing is such turtle.
What's that name?
Turtle sib.
It's big for him.
Who?
It's for him.
Yeah, it's big.
How many pixels?
It's very nice.
This is my model for today's video. At ayaw ko nang maligo. Huh? Oh? Okay na, you swim. Hello guys. So for today's video guys, pupunta po kami doon sa sunset viewing. Right, Kitty Pie? Sunset viewing, yes. See, this is the one. What they are doing for kayaking? Huh? See, doing for kayaking. Yeah, this is for the dinner, baby, I think, right? Oh yeah, of course. Ay, for honeymoon, they're waiting. Waiting for our dinner for honeymoon. See, all the activities is here, guys, for kayaking, sunset viewing, motor. What's that name, baby? Huh? Yeah, this is. Yeah. PTRD, no? If no one is coming, so they can't go home. It's like that. So much nice. What's this? Oh, coconut. This is coconut, right? Oh my god. Look at how small it is, guys. Huh? Oh. We will wait for the sunset here. Yeah, see, the sunset is here. So we can sit down there, baby, right? Of course, what? Yeah. Okay. I'm waiting for the sunset. Relax muna tayo. Kaya si Kitty Pie naghahanap kung saan kami uupo. natin yung hangin, guys. So, here's our drinks, guys. For me, strawberry mojito. And Titi Pai is lemon and ginger mojito. So, while waiting for the sunset. Guys, dahil si Titi Pai, nagkuha siya sa cellphone niya kasi naiwan. And then, cigarette is not allowed here. So, nagpunta po siya doon. Mga beach pool villa. Yes. So, medyo may ano to siya, less ng price kaysa doon sa ano, floating villa. See? For the breakfast. Breakfast for today. It's okay na ito. So, ang masarap kasi may rice, Sidayan Studio, my favorite rice. But I want to try first their starter. How is it? Ang ganda ng blouse. Guys, this is the souvenir Thier in Maldives. Yeah, let's check it out. What's inside? Oh, hi, Doctor. Woo! Yeah. But we don't have. Yeah, you have T-shirt, right? Sorry. Wait, I will check. Wait. Wow, that's cool. What's with it? This one not my god. This one. We are 3 days now. Today is our 3 days. Then after 2 days pa daw, guys, we can take this one. 3 days, right? Oh my god, tomorrow we will check out. I tried what's this, the t-shirt. Okay, wait. I just lit a little bit video. The Maldives, oh Maldives. What's that? What you're doing?
Musical instrument, right?
What's it? What's this name?
Musical instrument.
Musical instrument?
It's the traditional.
Oh, that's medium? Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, you see. Guys, I buy here a t-shirt for Maldives. But Kitty Pie don't have. Yeah, why you not promoting this one? I like this one, you know. Hala. So guys, nakabili kami ng souvenir na t-shirt na Maldives. Yes, yan din ang isa kong collection, guys. Ref magnet, t-shirt, yeah. So nakabili kami. So guys, mayroon din sila dito residency villa. So good for 10 person. Pero grabe ang mahal. Yes. Pero lahat nasa loob na. May swimming pool, may jacuzzi, yes. Pero maganda dito pag marami kayo. Kasi diba, it's divided into how many. So hindi ka masyadong malakihan. O diba? Yeah. Grabe ang ganda. Ang laki guys. Oh. Grabe. So pag marami kayo, like you're a group, it's okay. Yeah, this is more expensive here. So this is the Breeze Poolside Restaurant and Bar. So we are staying here and before we eat our dinner. Grabe ang presko ng hangin. Nakaka-relax. Breeze. Breeze. Isarap ng foods nila dito. Nakaka-relax dito. Grabe ang sarap. Yes. But today, we have planned to other restaurant for our dinner. We will go to the... so this is their, what's this? Summer salad, their foods. Yes. So they have also Maldivian picnic. So we will try the other restaurant in the night for our dinner. Typical beach barbecue. Ooh. Yeah. Dito yung ano nila guys, pool bar. So hindi ko na kami maligo ni Kitipay ngayon at parang itim na talaga ako. So we are waiting for our order guys before we eating our dinner. Yes, it's so very relaxing. Ang ganda dito magmuni-muni na haggard na ako. Diyos ko po, roti. Yes, so tomorrow guys, we will go for city tour and then we check out on Saturday and then we will go to the India for 1 day. Oo. As I've said na maganda talaga guys pag may stopover. The good thing is mayroon akong visa sa India. Kasi yung visa ko talaga kukunin sa India guys is multi-entry. So isa pa yung nagamit ko. Good for 1 year na yan. So actually Sri Lanka sana kami babalik kasi may visa pa din ako pero much better na pupunta kami doon sa Bangalore. Kasi hindi pa din kami dyan naka-explore. Yes. So it's only short short travel kasi buti na din si Kitipay yung Monday. Wala talaga siyang pahinga. So our order for today. So guys, this is for me. It's so amazing. This one. Let's check their chicken wings with french fries. And for Kitipay, what is your tequila or platter? Sidecar? Much better is not a side dish.